Hashwa baki Samla pule kin Thang yau Tyngshop dor Jong Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla Vice Chancellor ka North Eastern Hill University Nehu Uniu Vice Chancellor ulami ban kran bat kinoi lam ka Nehu Students Union Nehu su bat ka KSU Nehu unit ha ka no pai sngi jong ka nyau tarik unai weng araja arpsau Vice Chancellor ulapan por Shipowski ban Thung yaki pro Vice Chancellor Hanihu Shillong campus bat Tura campus bat halor kene ki Samla puli ki laong bamela don Snem komu Vice Chancellor balai mem Thung yaki bat mentapan me pan por Nalor kini ki Samla ki lapan jing pensyai halor Rohit Prasad nalor ka jingdawa wengkam yau registrar u deputy registrar bat ki weki officer ki bala kenot Thung behind the Vice Chancellor Halor kini u Vice Chancellor umla ban juba bat kumta ki Samla ki lami na katega jaka bat lek Thang yau Tyngshop jong u Vice Chancellor kum kadak ka jing penram yu ba umla ban pen urlong yaki jingdawa jong ki Kumban sukdo baka jing kran u Vice Chancellor ha ka henriu tarik unai wing araja arpusau ba tre ban hiar suki kumbala dawa dagi Samla pule bat ka jing pen kesan ya ka jing Thung kam registrar deputy registrar bat ki weki officer ba kam dai ka babean kala pensat sia ya kini ki Samla pule Kini Samla pule ki badan ha ka Nehu Students Union bat ka Khasi Students Union KSU Nehu Union ha ka janmiet jong henriu tarik unai wing araja arpusau da ka jing so bitar ki la rai ban nang pen khlan chu shu ya ka jing ya khi sha thangan tat hadu ba Vice Chancellor un hiar na ka suki bat ru ban wengkam yau registrar bat u deputy registrar lamda kumta ka jing sha thangan kandang beteng sa Haka no pai sngi jong ka nyau tarik unai wing araja arpsau ka badai ru hadian sau pupra kanta ka jingya khi sha thangan kini ki Samla ki la panlong ru da ka jingya lang nalor ba ki la Thang jam daw yau Tyngshop dor jong Vice Chancellor bat shim rai ban beteng ya ka jing sha thangan jong ki
Inquiry report I will take the action against deputy registrar and registrar of the university the first second point You are also concerned about the appointment of Pro Vice Chancellor. Since the joining, I was agreed to appoint the Pro Vice Chancellor. Even wrote 4-5 letter to Government of India regarding clarification of every Pro Vice Chancellor. Till now, I have not received any reply, but in the interest of the community, in the interest of the students, I am ready to appoint 2 Pro Vice Chancellor, one for the Tura campus, another for the Shillong campus. Shillong means university campus of the Shillong. University campus is already in Shillong, no? So for the Shillong campus. And definitely the appointment of Pro Vice Chancellor will take place. There are some system. And in this week, we have only this week, last week, coming week, we have only 3 working days. One is 11, 12 is already holiday, and 13 and 14th is working day. I am trying my best to appoint the Pro Vice Chancellor in between 3 days, but would like to request all of you, kindly give me minimum 10 working days with next week also.
So the thing is that you have been here for 3 long years and now you're asking just 3 days. We have been asking for the Vice Pro VCs for 3 long years. Where was the decision? And now you're taking this just because we are sitting at the demonstration?
Yeah,
You first listen first.
Yeah.
And on top of that, as you are speaking about these Pro VCs, they are already in the Act and Statute. Why do you have to write letter to the Ministry for the approval? It's already there. How can you appoint an advisor in which you cannot appoint the Pro VCs? You can do always on your own. Have you write a letter? Show us on regards with the advisor.
Okay. So the letter.
And what rules and regulations you are talking about?
The rules and regulations.
Yes.
Show us the rules and regulations on appointment of the advisor as well. Show us.
I will advisor. I don't have any advisor. No.
No, he was there last year. That
You
Rohit
have an
Prasad.
advisor. No.
So who is Rohit Prasad? Who was Rohit Prasad, sir?
No, Rohit Prasad.
That is not sanctioned post.
That is not a sanctioned post.
In which you have to extract money from the university money itself, from the university's fund. And from time to time we have came to you with the regards to the issues of the student. You are saying us that you don't have money, the university doesn't have money. But you appointment of those advisors and all, you have to take the money from the university's fund.
No, not from this. Go,
Tell us who is Rohit Prasad, sir?
Fine. Has been taken in the meeting. First of all, I understand that there are some issues raised against these individuals by the student community and they are demanding their removals. The university has some rules and regulations in place to deal with such issues. As a Vice Chancellor, my role is to safeguard those rules and regulations under the constitutional provision. Therefore, I am going to call a meeting of Executive Council to form an inquiry committee within November means 11th November 2024. Because today is only a working day. Is not an advisor. He is a technical. He's already did that all technical things for the university. All technical things.
As
And
per the
already,
rules, where is it written to appoint him? Show us. Show us the rules written to appoint him.
already
Is he
sold-
already a subject post?
already sold in public. In the message already has gone in the public. Press conference already given you have.
No, look, sir, one thing is that we have lost confidence in your leadership. As of now, we want you to step down. You to step down. Yes. You to step down. That's only our demand. As long as who is doing this on the side? It's upon you, sir.
It took you almost 50 hours to come out and to discuss all these matters, sir. We have been sitting here without eating for the last 50 hours, sir. And it took you 50 hours to constitute this executive something, whatever your administrative duties, sir. What were you doing for the last 50 hours? What were we doing? We were sitting right in front of your office. You didn't have time to discuss about all these things. Sir, with all due respect, whatever decision the administration has taken, we the Students' Union, we are dissatisfied, we boycott such decisions, sir. We are not accepting the decisions. Our only humble request, sir, please listen very carefully. Our only humble request is to you to please step down from this position because we have lack confidence in your leadership. You do not have even a single humanity ground for us. We were sitting there since last 50 hours with many students in this cold weather of Shillong, and you do not have even that kind of sympathy towards us, and you are coming and giving all this kind of decision that the administration is taking, which we, the Student Union, we do not accept this, and we want you to resign and step down as soon as possible.
regulation of the university, under which rule and regulation of the university did the registrar appoint, or did the vice chancellor appoint the registrar, the deputy registrar, the person who was on the 146 list in the non-eligible list of the candidates. He has broken every rules of the university. And he has clearly mentioned that he will not terminate the tenure of the registrar and the deputy registrar. And we, the students, we will not back down until and unless the vice chancellor, he terminates the registrar, the deputy registrar, the other official members, other officials of the university, and we shall continue to staff, even if we have to staff to death also. We will continue with this protest, and we shall never back down.